What percentage of rural children aged 6 to 59 months in the state were counted as anemic in 2015 to 16? A. 31%. B. 60%. C. 41%. D. 56%. The correct answer is B. 60%. What type of government is headed by a priest ruling in the name of God? A. Theocracy. B. Constitutional monarchy. C. Democracy. D. Republic. The correct answer is A. Theocracy. What are atoms described as in terms of size? A. Extremely small. B. Large particles. C. The same size as molecules. D. Visible under any microscope. The correct answer is A. Extremely small. According to the 2011 census, which district had the highest literacy rate? A. The Nilgiris. B. Chennai. C. Kanyakumari. D. Thoothukudi. The correct answer is C. Kanyakumari. What is a characteristic of solar energy, despite its advantages? A. It is prohibitively expensive to install. B. It requires constant maintenance. C. It is only available in certain climates. D. It has certain limitations. The correct answer is D. It has certain limitations. What role does an atom play in chemical reactions? A. It rarely participates. B. It only participates in nuclear reactions. C. It never takes part. D. It always takes part. The correct answer is D. It always takes part. What is the primary goal of the Intensive Cattle Development Program? A. To promote traditional milking methods. B. To increase milk production. C. To develop new cattle diseases. D. To increase beef production. The correct answer is B. To increase milk production. What was the case called in which Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, and others were tried? A. Train looting case. B. Kakori conspiracy case. C. Lucknow robbery case. D. Anti-government plot case. The correct answer is B. Kakori conspiracy case. Who was the illustration artist along with Muthukumar? A. Gopu Rasuvel. B. M. Tamilarsi. C. Kathir Arumugam. D. N. Vidyagitha. The correct answer is A. Gopu Rasuvel. Where is the International Court of Justice headquartered? A. London. B. The Hague. C. New York. D. Geneva. The correct answer is B. The Hague. What substance is added to the samples in the beakers? A. Alcohol. B. Oil. C. Water. D. Vinegar. The correct answer is C. Water. Why are microbeads a concern for the environment? A. They are added for scent. B. They are small pieces of plastic. C. They are quickly dissolved in water. D. They are made of natural materials. The correct answer is B. They are small pieces of plastic. Who recaptured Kattabomman on 16 October 1799? A. Periya Marudu. B. Velu Nachiyar. C. Chinna Marudu. D. Marudu brothers. The correct answer is D. Marudu brothers. What does PSR stand for in the context of the screw gauge measurement? A. Point scale reference. B. Principal scale reading. C. Pitch scale reading. D. Primary screw rotation. The correct answer is C. Pitch scale reading. When constructing a pinhole camera, what is the purpose of making one tube slightly smaller in diameter? A. To allow it to slide into the other tube. B. To reflect more light. C. To focus the image more sharply. D. To increase the field of view. The correct answer is A. To allow it to slide into the other tube. Which planet in the solar system is the second largest after Jupiter? A. Neptune. B. Earth. C. Saturn. D. Uranus. The correct answer is C. Saturn. Which crop is associated with arid and northern Gujarat soils when irrigation is available? A. Barley. B. Maj. C. Rice. D. Pulses. The correct answer is A. Barley. On which list do states have the power to make laws applicable only to their own state? A. Union list. B. Concurrent list. C. Regional list. D. State list. The correct answer is D. State list. What term describes simple tissue based on its cellular composition? A. Mixed. B. Homogeneous. C. Heterogeneous. D. Complex. The correct answer is B. Homogeneous. Who was Rajaji's close associate from the Muslim League mentioned in relation to the non-cooperation movement? A. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. B. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. C. Yaqub Hassan. D. Liaquat Ali Khan. The correct answer is C. Yaqub Hassan. Which material is commonly used as fuel in nuclear reactors? A. Boron. B. Heavy water. C. Graphite. D. Uranium. The correct answer is D. Uranium. What is the disadvantage of self-pollination regarding seed production? A. Seeds are larger in size. B. Seeds are greater in number. C. Seeds are more resistant to disease. D. Seeds are less in numbers. The correct answer is D. Seeds are less in numbers. What is the continuous process of transformations of rocks from one form to another known as? A. Rock erosion. B. Rock cycle. C. Rock formation. D. Rock metamorphosis. The correct answer is B. Rock cycle. Which branch of mechanics deals with bodies at rest under the action of forces? A. Inertia. B. Dynamics. C. Kinematics. D. Statics. The correct answer is D. Statics. What is the cultural period in Tamil Nadu mentioned in the text? A. Gupta Age culture. B. Rig Vedic culture. C. Megalithic Iron Age culture. D. Early Vedic culture. The correct answer is C. Megalithic Iron Age culture. Compared to exhaled air, what does inhaled air contain more of? A. Nitrogen. B. Water vapor. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Oxygen. The correct answer is D. Oxygen. A 60-watt bulb used for 5 hours daily consumes how much energy in kWh per day? A. 0.3 kilowatt-hours. B. 3.0 kilowatt-hours. C. 0.6 kilowatt-hours. D. 0.03 kilowatt-hours. The correct answer is A. 0.3 kilowatt-hours. What term describes the process of fuel burning that requires oxygen? A. Oxidation. B. Combustion. C. Decomposition. D. Reduction. The correct answer is B. Combustion. What gas was identified as having the same property as air without oxygen and carbon dioxide? A. Argon. B. Neon. C. Nitrogen. D. Helium. The correct answer is C. Nitrogen. What was the Simon Commission also known as? A. The Muslim League Delegation. B. The Central Legislature Committee. C. The Indian Constitution Commission. D. The All-White Commission. The correct answer is D. The All-White Commission. How did you score?